Hey guys, Dallas here from Dun & Watson. So we're now offering hose kits. These are Australian made hose kits. You get 2 meters of each. Here's an example of some set up on one of our Australian made water tanks. This is a 40 litre tank, but it'll work with all the tanks noted on the site. So what you get is you get 2 meters of each, as I said. So you've got 2 meters of your breather hose, which is this one here, which runs to the top of your tank like so. And you get the 2 appropriate clamps for that as well, stainless steel ones. You got 2 meters of your outlet, which is the bottom one, runs all the way to the end. So you get 2 meters. So if you have, say, your 1700 long trays or whatnot, obviously you're going to make that distance. If you have a single cab, let us know. We can always chop you up a bit more hose. You get 2 meters of that one, and you get 2 meters of your filler, which is the big one here. Obviously this will work in conjunction with our filler plates that we offer online as well, which is your middle one there. And then once again you get your stainless steel clamps for that one as well. So as I said, these are an Australian made hose. You're not going to get any flavour in your water from these hoses. So if you're interested, give us a call or send us an email.